Okay, so here is our final product. This is the virtual tour of the state capital of Arizona, designed for fourth graders with budgetary constraints so they can look at the capital from, I guess, their own classroom. So we start here with our main page. This is our home page. Bright colors, really pops. We have very simple navigation going on here. Anyone could just click on start and then begin. Start takes you to the 4 locations that we highlight: the Arizona Capitol Museum, famous Copper Dome, the State Library and Archives, and the Wesley Boland Memorial. As you can see, when we click on Arizona Museum, it takes us to this page. Brief description, and then a few of the exhibits that are going on currently. We have the USS Arizona, brief description, navigation bars. This will take you through all of the different displays that we have chosen to do. At any point, you can head back to the museum to choose a different one, or you can head home and start all over if you prefer. So the next one we have is our famous Copper Dome. These are set up in a similar fashion. You can click next to cycle through the different features, go back to one that you wanted to see, or you can go back home to start all over. So that's the main layout here. I would like to in the future add some more of the actual memorials in here with a video walkthrough. If you are unsure how to navigate, the help screen will tell you exactly how to run this and how to use the navigation arrows and about this project, and then references included at the bottom here below. So that is our overall. We used bright colors and a kind of cartoon theme to bring the students' interest into this, and that is our final result. So thank you for watching.